Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to do unboxing first impression on something unique to this channel. I don't know that I've ever talked about anything like this on my channel, I don't think. But these are from SoundPeats. These are the GoFree 2 earbuds. So we're going to talk about these after the intro. So stay tuned. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click subscribe. All right, so today, this company, SoundPeats, they reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to do a review on their product of the GoFree 2 earbuds. They're over-the-ear earbuds, and I said, you know what, why not? I turned down so many offers to do reviews on products. I figured, well, why not? I needed a new set, and what better way to try some out? So these are the GoFree 2s, and they come all sealed up like this. Now, I did look them up. Retail price on these is about $75 on Amazon. However, when I looked it up, they were on sale for a little bit less than that. So I will have a link in the description below. You can go check them out if you're interested. But just based on the box, I haven't even opened this. It's still cellophaned up. So they are a Bluetooth version V5.3. They have frequency response range of 20 hertz to 40 hertz. The working maximum distance is 10 meters. Playtime is about 9 hours, but up to 35 hours with the charging case. It does come with a charging case. You can see there. And battery capacity, 60 milliamps for the earbuds and 450 milliamps for the charging case. So there you go. Let's dive into this and see. So today, to cut into this cellophane, we're going to be using the Gerber Splice. Now, I did a review on this little multi-tool. I'll put a card up top, one side or the other. You will see that. Go check that video out if you are interested. So let's go with the knife blade here and get into these earbuds. Close that up, get it to the side. Now, let's see what we have here. And this is really just going to be first impression. I'm going to test these out and see what I think about them and come back and give you a full review. So, all right, so that's how they come packaged. Pretty nice. I like the packaging. Now, all right. Hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So I'm sure we have something under here. Or do we? Nope, nothing under there. So get into this. They use a USB-C to charge the case. It does not come with a cable. Look at these bad boys in this case. All right, let's get one out. They are flexible. So I always, with these, have to figure out which ear they go on. I never know. So I'm gonna guess, I don't know if this will focus enough, but there's two little contacts right there. That's how it charges this, I'm guessing. That's the only way it works. And this, does it go this way? Got to go that way. How does this work? There's no instructions. How do I know which is which? Doesn't say right or left. This says remove me. This does say right. All right, let's get that sticker off. So this has got to go somehow over my ear. There we go. Like so. So this goes right up there like that, kind of hangs on. There we go. First impression, they are very comfortable. They are silicone. I can hear very clearly out of my ear without this hanging. It does really well right there. So we're gonna test these out. I'm gonna see how they work. I'll put them through the ringer. I'll give them a test, and it feels really secure on my ear. I can say that. And I like that this is silicone. This is the soft silicone, so it's not going anywhere. And so we'll play around with it. There's no buttons that I feel. Nothing's a button. So there you go. So I'm gonna test this out. We'll see. Come back if you're interested and you have heard of this company before, but I'll have a link to them in the description below. The GoFree 2s. Go check them out. I like the case. They're magnetic in the case, so they're not falling out. So there's that. And let's see. Let's pull this little sticker off this side. Yep, this one has an L, so that means this is going to be our left side. And this just hoops on your ear like so. I can wear a hat with them, and I'm guessing there's a way to tap and turn them on because there's no buttons. So they don't look bad either. And this part goes around behind your ear. There you go. The GoFree 2s from SoundPeats. Go check them out. Link will be in the description. And I will see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until then, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.